Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
So your 4 days of psychological SSP psychology capsule course is over. So it would be great if you guys can share your experience. How did you feel when you joined the course? What you were in psychology and how you were receiving psychology as, and when you finished your course today, how do you feel? Is there any difference in that? Please.
Yes, sir. The first thing that I believe is a garbage of clutter and confusion was eliminated by a class and session of clarity that sir gave. And second thing was I have been carrying a lot of misconception about TAT in particular and PPDT that got entirely eliminated and obliterated by concepts and clarity provided by sir. And he generally gave me a perception to perceive the world, not just SSP. And that I believe things like seeing and observing our ambience around and getting information, noting down in our mind, small micro pathways to perceive the world that sir gave us. And I hope to carry on and carry forward with this and give sir a success and our team success from our branch.
Jai Hind, sir. Earlier to this class, I thought that this side test is just a simple exam test as we give other exams. But after attending sir class, I came to know that this is not just a test. This is a basically test of your daily life. You cannot prepare for it just in 10 or 12 days. So this is basically you have to maintain your life in a positive way throughout your whole life. This is not gonna happen.
It's a lifestyle.
Yes, it's all about lifestyle.
Those qualities which are need to be reflected during SSB, you cannot reflect in one day. It has to be part of your life.
Yes.
That's what you want.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Good morning, sir. I have already prepared for SSB in many online platforms, and I believe that the online platforms were delivering that we should get with the ideas from practice. But sir has helped me a lot. Like he said that correlate your things with your daily life basis. Like I'm a voter, and he said that what are happenings, what events do you attend, or what were the actions you take. So correlate with the actions that will naturally open up to your psychological test. I believe that all the other platforms and those online channels that I've been watching, they were giving that preconceived ideas. I believe that sir was able to open up my mind, and I successfully can relate the things in a limited time. And so after that, I want to say that when I was giving the test, I also believe that before I was not able to complete the SRTs and WAT, but now I have successfully completed all my tasks within time, and that was the most and the most favorable outcome that sir has given. Thank you.